Welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here, and today in this video I'm going to and it's a part of makeup routine, the monthly routine, and yes, it's all about home facial. I just came across one amazing facial kit which I bought from Amazon just for 315, and yes, Vaadi fruit facial kit. It's written Skin-lightening. Very cute one, very small packaging, and it has the cleansing cream, it has a face scrub, massage cream and face pack. So I'm going to use this today in this video. This is the third time I'm using this facial, and it's really good for sensitive skin, and it's very mild and gentle because I have a sensitive skin. So I just tried this two times, and I just found it very amazing. So I just thought, I mean, it's been a month that I haven't done anything, so let's get started.
Use a normal water to clean this with the help of a sponge. Second step would be the scrubbing, and moisten your face and neck. Then take approximate amount of the scrub. Scrub gently with circular movements with upward strokes for almost 5 minutes. Clean this with the help of a sponge. Now the third step would be the massage cream. Take an approximate amount of cream on your fingertips and apply all over the face and neck. Massage with firm circular upward and outward movement till it is completely absorbed in the skin. You can even use a jade roller if you have. As I don't have, so I'm using my fingers. Now wipe this with a sponge. Last but not the least, the fourth step is the fruit pack. Take the pack on your fingertips. Apply a thick layer evenly all over the face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Keep it for 30 minutes. You can relax and have a cup of coffee. Now once it gets dry completely, just remove with the help of any cotton sponge to pat the face.
It comes like this, and it has very small cute tub kind of a container. Sensitive skin people, because it is so mild on your skin. This is the third time I'm using this, and I have just loved the first time use, and the third time use is almost like amazing. So I just wanted to let all my subscribers that please do try this product from Vaadi Herbals, and do let me know your experience related to this in my comment box. So keep watching, stay tuned to more videos, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon too. Thank you.